Some years of fire and rain, still stand firm, heart rough like stone. Brethren them gone road, wicked teach lesson daily hunger. Pressure but me nah bow, me cause the system curse. The hard scar part, barefoot faith, every soul ready me vice. Travel ride rhythm slow bass guide me forward. Sunrise promise still breathing winning. Despite knocks nights long tears dry. My return with lion spine stronger. Mind clear vision sharp, aim climb peaks alone. Fearless motion, steady march onward. Victory near, soon cert on a shore drop. Chant rise higher, fire go inside in soft road. Rough still me strike tougher curses. Fling me laugh, louder wounds close slowly. Strength grow, daily fiat cause soul carry me far. Past doubts, crown earn sweat paid. Still me sing freedom calling, answer firm, standing tall. Brave-hearted warrior more than big drum pulse. Steady calm grit prevail, rise again. Unbroken will shines bright today, always onward sure. Past chapters dirty dates, storm mash up. Muff sour friends switch fast money chase. Leave scars me curse, bad luck spit fire verse. A cleanse spirit lesson, scar wisdom patience. Grow thick as skin, laugh at storms, move smarter. Guard energy, aim higher destiny. Bend me unsteady focus, sharp breath, calm nerves. Iron will firm stand, step far away again. Never fall, pressure test, core build character. Truth spoken loud, bars cut clean, honest grind. Constant proof earned, respect street art code. Loyal few remain close, always real. Chant rise higher, fire guide me steps. Road rough, still me stride tougher curse. Still me laugh, louder wounds close. Strength grow, faith anchor soul. Carry me far past those, crown earn sweat paid. Missing freedom calling, answer firm. Standing tall, brave-hearted warrior more. Pull steady grit prevail, rise again unbroken. Will shines today onward show. Forever path chosen, firm step, constant march, purpose driven focus. Luck aim clear, mind solid, root strong base. Endure more always, now me sing from God truth. Bear no more sweat drip, prove worth nights long. Dawn sweet victory taste turn, scars remind. Survive long turn, fuel drive mission. Humble stands give thanks, sensors guide road me blaze. Only and fearless craft sharp and daily grind. Never cease bars, heavy bass thump ribs crowds. We a soul lift high, courage bloom calm rings. Mind clear, goal set stone patience. War steps count forward again. Build strong frame, respect, pay dues, blood, sweat, tears dry. Smile returns, power steady rain forever sure. Asha chant rise higher, fire guide me steps. Road rough, still me stride tougher curse. Fling me laugh, louder wounds close. Strength grow, daily faith and soul. Carry me far past doubts, crown earn sweat paid. Missing freedom calling, answer firm. Standing tall, brave-hearted warrior mode. Drum pull steady, great prevail. Rise again. Unbroken will shines today onward sure. Strong faith firm, always marching ahead. Proud.